Okay, so this is what my yard looks like right now. Let's take you down the path I created. And here we go. Nice little path. Luckily I parked at the end of the driveway. Yep, keep going. Here we go. Yep, still going. Long driveway. Alright, as you can see, we've gotten my car done. And here are my failed attempts at getting out. And there's the rest of the 200-foot driveway that I'm not going to make it down. And if you look off in the distance, there's my road. And that was plowed, but there's still quite a bit of snow. So, I don't think I'm making it in.